You
can open the Oreos now with your fingers that are...
I've had practice.
You're super cool.
Wait. I almost got it.
You're gonna crush all the Oreos!
There's like 2 left.
It's like a freaking gorilla.
Feel like a freaking... Oh wait! No, I almost got it.
It's deceiving, isn't it?
No, no, damn it. Oh crap, I almost did it.
Oh yeah! Woo! Show the family why you had some problems.
Ah!
Why do it longer? He's got duct tape fingers. You're super cool. Yeah, bitch!
What would I do without you guys?
I don't know. Oh my god.
Live a boring, refreshing life.
I know, right?
Is it still recording?
That's a great ending.